Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide my Facebook Messenger online status. Now let's begin. Initially, simply open up the Messenger app on your mobile device. Do make sure that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now I want to hide my active status, so here's what we can do about it. At the very top left, here are those three lines, simply click on it. Now something like this will open up from the sidebar. You just need to click on the settings icon right here. Now in this new page, if you scroll down, in the second option, there's something like active status. You can simply click on it. And from here, there are two options. Show when you're active and show when you're active together. Simply turn them both off. Something like this will pop up simultaneously. Now you will be given some options like these, like until you change it for 1 hour, 8 hours, until, or you can also select a custom time range. Select whichever one suits you to pause active status and click on pause. If you do not find the active status right here, just scroll down till you find something like privacy and safety. Just click on it. Then scroll down to the very bottom to this tab called as what people see. And right here you can again see the active status button. Click on it and the same thing will open up. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you hide your Facebook Messenger online status. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.